Hi, thanks for joining Water Prowash, 614-425-9395. We're based out of Columbus, Ohio. Currently, we're in Upper Arlington, Ohio. We're doing a little bit of paver repair, deck cleaning, and then we'll be coming back with the joint sanding. We'll also be cleaning the driveway and sealing the driveway. So if you need patio paver restoration or exterior cleaning, please consider us, 614-425-9395. Hi, thanks for joining Water Prowash, 614-425-9395 out of Columbus, Ohio. We are currently in Upper Arlington, Ohio. We have deep cleaned, repaired, and sanded this patio paver, cleaned the deck, cleaned the flagstone, and just wanted to show you what it looked like afterwards. So if you need patio paver restoration, please consider Water Prowash.